All right, thanks a lot for checking out what we're doing here at Visible. So, Visible is a great way for companies, large and small, to not only report to investors, but also to embrace transparency, to track metrics internally, to display information and share data with potential investors for fundraising. So, I'll go ahead and quickly take you through the product here. First thing we have, this is your portfolio, so a group of companies that you're working with, have invested in. Diving into a company here, there's a couple key aspects to the company profile. So the first is dashboards, and this is the visualization layer for everything that goes on with the company. So companies can have multiple dashboards. For example, a current investor dashboard, a sales team dashboard, a potential investor dashboard, just a way to segment the data to make sure that the right people are seeing the right information. Everything on this dashboard here is driven from the data tab. So this is where they can enter metrics. Metrics can be organized any way the company wants. We can track actual versus forecast. We can pull metrics in through our integrations with Google Analytics, Xero, QuickBooks, and Stripe. I'll go ahead and walk you through what a metric addition might look like. So you can name the metric here. We'll name it revenue demo. I'll add that to my MRR metrics. We do want to track a forecast. We'll track a currency. We'll do USD. You can track any currency you want, and this will be monthly. And this pops up here. I can now come here, copy data, pull from Excel, Google Sheets, whatever I want. Pop that in here, so I see my actual numbers, my forecasted numbers, and then looking forward into the future, maybe I want to project out for the next 3 quarters. So I can easily do that right here. Okay, so now I have my metric called revenue demo. I'm going to come back here and show you how quickly you can add that to a new dashboard. So we'll just call this our revenue dashboard. And then come in here, create a chart. Have my metric called revenue demo. As you can see, I have my actual metric versus forecast, and then my forecast goes into the future as well. You can do a bunch of different visualizations here, different colors, etc. So we'll add this to the dashboard here. I now have my revenue demo. I can add other metrics as well. The next big thing is updates, and this is something we're really excited about. So company can come in here and craft the narrative around their business. So a monthly update, or the company has a big press release and they want to get some data out to their investors and team, they can do that here. So what I'll do here is, hey, great month for revenue. Check it out. All right, so I have that. Pop it in here. Again, we'll pull that metric that I just put together called revenue demo, bring that straight into this chart, and I can show it with the forecast, without the forecast. In this case, maybe I'll show without the forecast. Title, up and to the right. And then I can send this update to whoever I want, people who are attached to my profile, people who aren't attached to my profile. Make sure that everybody that needs to see this information is able to see it. All right, so that is kind of the key aspects of the company profile. Thanks for checking it out, and let me know if you have any questions.